Hello everyone, the thing we are looking for in the previous lesson is to how get absolute number of this column. Okay, let's go and search how to get absolute number of Pandas column. The ABS function is used for that. Okay, let's use it and just go and see how. Let's create things. For example, D is equal to ABS. It stands for absolute. SPD series. Say where he write the code for absolute. I don't really like that side. Okay, let's go to let's see. S is equal to PD series s.abs, and we say diff.abs d. Now we can say x is equal to d dot sum. Now if we print x 168, and if we divide it by 2 and then divide it by 100. Okay, let me not divide it. What we do here, we want to create a let me wait a little. We want to create a sorry, something happened, but let's go back. We want to create some statistics coefficient for our code, and we don't know, for example, Ardu or some other examples. We just create a statistics that work like this. We sum the difference of the y predict and the real y, and then we sum the difference and then divide the sum by 20, and by then we get a good factor that said how different our number is. Okay, we do it now for mathematics. What we should do if we want to do it, for example, for another thing like French or something else, what shall we do? As you maybe understand, we should create a we should create a definition. Okay, how to do it? Let's try and make a definition. Let's create a new Python tree and name it comment, for example. Now, importing library. Let's create our comment. At first, importing our library. I think we can make a comment in the next lesson. For now, let's scatter them and see the difference with them. Something like this, or that's good thing. We can scatter them like this for now. We can make it better in the previous lesson. Okay, data x, no, data, what you say, data, no, x train, and x train again, data y, no, y train. Now wait a little. X and y must be the same size. Why that is happening? X train, y pred. Let me test. X test. y test, sorry, I make a blinder, x test, y test. Okay, how we can color it? It's easy, just color, I think, and let's see, red. The color red is the predicted data. As you can see, it's a line. Let's, for better understand, search how to draw a line in a scatter plot in matplotlib. Okay, let's see what happened. This is a trend line. We don't want to create a trend line. It's polyfit, I don't want it. No, this is not the problem we want. How to run in Matplotlib. Let's see what they gave us. plt.plot x1 x2. I think we can use it. plt.plot. Okay, I think we can make a good use of this line of code. But now, at first, we must create x1 and y1. Okay, let's create x1 and y1. For x1, we have, how we can find it? For x1, we have, oh, we can get the coefficient of our model, our linear model. I give you in the next lesson. Okay, let's be in the next lesson. We give you the coefficient of our model. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I forget something very important.